How to read guitar tablature. Tablature is exactly the same for an electric guitar and an acoustic guitar. The stave for tablature consists of 6 lines which represent the 6 strings of the guitar. The thickest string, the bottom E string, is the bottom line, and the thinnest string, the top E string, is the top line. The fingering positions are represented by numbers on the lines. So, for example, the number 2 on the second line up from the bottom would represent the 2nd fret of the A string, or a number 3 on the second line from the top would represent the 3rd fret of the B string. A 0 on the top line would be an open top E string. Tablature should be read from left to right in the way you read conventional music or the text in a book. A chord being strummed can be represented by a number of notes on top of one another in a column. However, to make life easier, the name of the chord is normally displayed above it. In order to check you understand what you've learnt, and in order for you to practice what you've learnt, here's a very simple tune, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I've chosen this tune because it's very easy and most people around the world know this tune. But just in case, here's the tune being played. I'll leave the tablature for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star up on the screen now for a minute, but if you need longer, just pause the video. Or you can find the tablature freely available at eBooks for Guitar. It's in month 2, week 1, and there you'll find some other simple exercises that you can practice reading tablature with. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and feel you've got something out of it, please like and subscribe the video, and then you'll be notified when new lessons are uploaded.